Hi students, today we're going to talk about variables. How can I assign a value to a variable? This variable can have any name, can have any symbol as I want. So let's say I'm creating a variable called spam. This spam, I can assign to it the word hello, something like that. So Python will not read from left to right. Python will read from right to left. That means what? Python will say there is a word string hello that I want to assign it to a variable called spam. So that means if I go to Python shell and I type the same thing, spam equal double quotation hello, as I said, Python will start from right to left, so it's gonna take the string hello, assign it to spam, and when I click enter, it will not return anything for me. But if I type spam, that means I'm asking Python to tell me what is in spam, what you're gonna return for me. As soon as I click enter, Python will return hello. Perfect. If I take spam, the same variable, and I type enter, it's gonna return the same thing because it didn't finish, it's still under spam. But if I want to write spam equal double quotation goodbye, double quotation, enter. Now spam will forget about hello and it will update the information to goodbye. So if I type spam another time and type enter, it will return goodbye. So we need to understand that anything you assign it to the variable, it will keep the same value until you change it, you update it. It can update with the new one and forget about the old one. Can variable get numbers? For sure, yes. So if I type spam equal 2 or 12, spam will keep 12 and forget about goodbye. So if I write spam now, it will return 12. If I take spam and I add to spam 2, that means the value in spam is 12 and I'm adding 2, it will return 14. Excellent. Can I concatenate two variable? Let's say if spam I know equal 12 and I want to make sure that it's 12, here we go, and after that I'm gonna create, let's say, another variable called egg. An egg, I'm gonna assign 4 for it. So if I ask for egg, it will return for me 4. What about if I say spam concatenating with egg? It will take the value of the spam, add it to the value of egg, and return the total 16. 12 plus 4, 16. Now, again, if spam equal 12, if I write spam equal spam minus 5. This is very important. Why it's very important? Because we said Python, if I write spam equal spam minus 5, Python will read from right to left. So it will take the value of spam, which is 12. It will subtract from 12 5 and assign the result to the new, as a new value for spam. So 12 minus 5 equals 7. That means I'm telling, hey spam, forget about 12 and get the new one, which is 7. So if I go back to this here, I'm saying spam equals spam minus 5. So Python is reading from right to left. So that means 12 minus 5 equals 7. Assign 7 to spam. So Python will not return anything. But if I type spam here, it will return 7. Aha. Again, let me check egg. Egg is what? Egg is 4. Let's change egg and assign a new value to it. Egg plus 5. That means Python will read from right to left. So it will take the 4 of egg plus 5 equal 9 and assign this new value 9 to egg. So when I ask for egg another time, it will return for me 9. So this is how I can assign numbers or value to the variables. And as I said, what is gonna happen here, that Python look to the updating one, the new one, and forget about the old one. So now let's see what type of variable it's acceptable by Python and what type of variable it's not acceptable. So we're gonna say valid variable names and invalid variable names. So if I look here, I see balance. Balance, it's written with this way. But here, there is current balance, and there is hyphens here. The hyphens are not allowed, so this is going to be a problem for me. So we don't include hyphen in the variable name. If I want to write current balance, how can I write current balance if the hyphen is not acceptable? In this case, I can type current, and after that with a capital letter B, I can say current balance with capital B, so it's gonna be easy for my eyes to understand this is towards current balance. Can I leave current space balance? No. Again, spaces are not allowed, so I cannot leave space. What about current and underscore balance? This is acceptable. What about for account? We never ever start any variable with numbers. Numbers are not, we cannot begin with a number, it's not acceptable. Can I write underscore spam? Yes. Can I use a number 42 only as a variable? No, because Python will be confused. Is this integer or this is a variable name? Can I use capital letters like spam with capital letters? Yes. Can I use total underscore dollar symbol UM? No. Why no? Because special character like dollar are not allowed in my variable name. Can I say account for? You're gonna tell me there is a number. No problem. It came after and there is no space between account and for. So this is acceptable. You can. Can I use a string as a variable name? No, we cannot. So we have to be careful very well when I'm creating a variable. If I say student marks, so I write student and marks with capital M to avoid anything, and that's it. This is student marks. If I want to write age, I can write age. If I want to say my age, I can write my capital letter A age, my age. I can write anything, but I have to be careful that hyphens are not allowed, space are not allowed, starting with numbers is not allowed, only numbers is not allowed, special characters are not allowed, strings are not allowed. I hope you understood how I can choose the variable's name and how it works when I assign any value to a variable. And please don't forget, when Python read anything you assign it or any value assign it to the variable, it take it from right to left, not from left to right. So it will take what you are doing, what is the value, and update the variable with the new numbers or with the new value. Thank you for your attention.